Hey everyone, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about simple color correction. Many people are recording their videos, but the problems is color correction. So today we are going to check about it. Here we are in After Effects. Right-click here, go to import your video. Drag your video, put it in this icon, to create new composition. Now you can see the difference in these two videos. Go to the layer. New adjustment layer. Go to effect. Color correction. Select vibrance. Go to vibrance, change the vibrance settings. I will just showing you the basic, but the destination is yours. Back to effect, select color correction, select curve. For RGB I want to make something like S. I want change this to blue. Now you can see the difference. For the background, I will select green. I told you I will just showing you the way, but the destination is yours. Now go to Effect and Presets, search for Auto Contrast. Drop it here, boom, now you have done. Thank you for watching, see you soon, please subscribe my channel.